my friend.
Good quality of what?
Everything hash. Some ketamines, white, LSD, cocaine, everything I have.
Wow, amazing. But I don't need it.
Next time.
Oh, stop. This is amazing. Hey friends, welcome back. I'm here in Delhi, the capital of India. And today's video is going to be all about food. Right now, I'm gonna grab a snack before I go and meet Prince. You've met him in the previous videos. He's gonna take me around somewhere. Keep in the door. This is chaotic. It's just as raw as it can be. We can't do anything about it. So I want to grab a quick snack here, and then we're gonna go and meet Prince and see what this video is gonna unfold. I know nothing about the plan tonight, but let's check it out together. How are you, brother? You good? Can I have
Panipuri.
yes, of course. This is gonna be, one second, I need a hand for this. Can you help me? Camera? Acha. Thank you. So this is the way how they eat it. You just stand like this and they give you a plate. And I've done it like in a previous video, but I want to have a quick snack before I go. And look, like I have to, like I gotta keep eating now because he's waiting for me.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Oh, this one is leaking. Just keep coming. Film him. Film him. Show him. Oh my God. Up. Like that. Yeah, perfect. Up. He's a bad cameraman. How many did we have? I don't know. Oh, that's amazing. Bus. Bye. Bus.
सिंगल टिकट दे रहे पैसे काट
Bus. Oh my God, that is so tasty. So this is the way how he do it. I have a bad cameraman. This is my bad cameraman. So this is how they do it.
Yeah.
Let's wait until he served the ladies here. So he puts like some potatoes. He grabs from there. He makes like a hole in it. He puts some potatoes. Oh, this is mine actually. This is like the dessert, the finale. I'm not sure what this is, but this is like a little bit sweeter. It's like the finale to wash your mouth with all the spices and all that. I cannot stress enough how good this is. This is probably my favorite thing in India so far. And the guys know me, I was here last night. 4 pieces are 20 rupee, which is like an equivalent of about, I don't know, 30 cents or so, give or take. Anyway, I'm gonna pay him and we're gonna go and meet Prince now. Traffic jam. Where do we walk? We can't walk this way. We can walk on the street where the bikes, the trucks, the cars, everything. Oh my God. So on the way I'm gonna just like give a quick of this chaotic street and what it looks like, and then the sound is gonna be messy, man. There are markets, food, hotels, everything you could imagine in this street. Sugarcane juice, love it. This kid is hitching a ride from the back of the tuk-tuk. I love it.
Entry free है sir.
What?
Cheers. Hello, sir. Cheers.
Cheers, man. Spontaneous shot. I love it. I wanted to shoot the madness, to film the madness there, but oh well, that's part of it. We get more juices and bars at the back here. Fruit. Oh my god, now it's actually quiet in comparison to what it was earlier. Anyway, it's a quick shot. It's a mad street. There's a lot of things happening just by walking here. But anyway, we're hello. Let's go and meet friends. Fucking hell, it's mad. Acha! Oh my god, so noisy, man. Nice bike, man. Look at this bike.
It's completely customized.
Right, I just wanted to capture this shot very quickly, but it's too noisy. The sound is terrible, man. We're gonna get on the road and we're gonna go somewhere. Chala, let's go. Look at this chaos. Oh my god. This is Delhi, India, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. The traffic is not something. Well, it is something to talk about, actually.
Madness. That's the madness I was telling you.
Just before we were arriving to this road, Grace was telling me we're about to hit the madness, the chaos. And to me, like when a local says that, it's really funny. Because to me, all Delhi, all India is a chaos.
Flying chicken. Flying chicken.
Flying chicken. Right, so we made it out of the chaos. And we're going through an alley right now. Prince, where are we going now?
It's in that hotel.
Yeah?
Yeah, the name of the hotel is Oh God, Please Run My Hotel.
Oh, please? Say it again slower.
Oh God, please run the hotel.
Oh God, please run the hotel. I love it. Here we go in. Ah, look at this barbecue here. Oh my God. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I guess we're having barbecue.
Yeah, it's this. The chicken area is this only.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's sit. Or are we gonna order, or how does this work?
Just make an order. Yeah, butter chicken lagwa dijiye. Quarter boneless. Quarter.
And you got like the
Or
barbecue
malai
over
chicken
there.
bhi lagwa dena,
This is
quarter
pretty
boneless.
much the restaurant. Like there's not much. That's it here and then inside. And that's all you need. That's all we need.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Should.
Awesome. Right. So we got served the food. And Prince, what did we get?
It's butter malai chicken.
Butter malai chicken.
Or you call
And
it just creamy chicken.
Smells amazing though.
It's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
You'll have an idea of how the butter chicken is for in the Mughlai way. We've
Right.
already had it. It's the butter chicken in Mughlai.
Ah, that's the butter chicken.
Till now we
Just
were
on
having
time.
it in like Punjabi style.
Right. Okay.
And it's another type of butter chicken.
I like it. Let's dig in.
Yeah, the chicken, man.
So he was saying to me like this is one of the best places. I'm gonna grab very quickly a bread here. So he was saying to me like it's one of the best places. There's the previous video that we watched with the place that I went in when I started the video like in the tuk-tuk and all the way to have the chicken, and I met this this amazing guy. We were eating together. Prince told me about this place, and now he's bringing us here now for this. Got my personal tour guide here, you know, it's amazing. Right, let's dig in very quickly. We're gonna do this like that, dip the bread, grab a piece of chicken just like that. By the way, the chicken is barbecued, alright? Oh my god, it's so tender. And we're gonna take a bite like that.
Dip it again, dip it again.
Dip it again?
Just roll it up. Then have it.
Alright, this is the Indian proper way. Oh my god, the bread is so thin. Oh my god. Oh man. That is
Finish this bite, then only you'll be able to, you know.
That is actually really good. Some bites you take of food, the moment it enters your mouth, it's just, you know, it's so good. And that was the moment. I just put it in my mouth, like the flavors, the aroma. Oh my god, it's
And all
amazing.
the satisfaction it gives you, man.
It's really, really, really good.
Yeah.
That bite was incredible.
You tried this one also, it's another thing.
And also, what was I gonna say? So the flavor is spicy, but I can handle it. This is my kind of spicy. There's so much flavor jumping in as well, and the flavor is like lemony kind of thing, and the burn of the chicken because of the barbecue, the grill is amazing. Like it plays very well. We're gonna make it very quick because like Prince is hungry too, you know.
Yeah, man.
But you can eat, man.
Yeah,
there's no rules.
I
You know,
I
there's no
I
rules.
just want you to, you know, observe it properly and then split it up completely into the camera. Because, you know, the people on the other side of the camera, it's like they should get the wholesome experience of this, no? That's
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's try this. This is the creamy one. Did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a small piece like that and dip it in with all the sauce. Oh my god, it's so oily, so creamy. Oh, look at that. We're gonna do it more. Just like that. So messy, and I love it.
It's all good.
Oh wow.
The spices are less in it, but it's more creamy.
Oh wow.
And that one is all about
Oh,
spices.
I like that, man.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
I knew
Actually,
you're gonna like it, bro. That's
I like that a lot. So friends know that my favorite Indian dish is butter chicken, right? And now we're gonna introduce a different kind of type of butter chicken. This is the real deal, by the way, not like the way how the European, you
Can't
know.
miss this.
Oh, I can't.
Just after a bite, you need to have it.
So he's talking about this, but we're not gonna do it on camera because
okay,
I want you to eat, bro. I really want you to eat.
Alright,
We're gonna finish this, and are we doing something else?
Yeah, there's a lot to eat, man. There's a lot to eat. It's just the starter.
We're gonna eat more apparently. As I said, this is a food vlog here in India, in Delhi. All right, let's finish this and we go.
You want to chew that in it?
Yeah, this is how actually they barbecue it here. Over there. That's the barbecue there. That's the chicken that we actually got. And then they marinate it in the goodness here. Look, this is the marination, but this is different type of chicken there. But this one is what, you know, catches the attention, is that here. That's where the magic is, but obviously there's more of it. Anyway, it was really amazing. This food is incredible. Highly recommend it. Where is the name?
We have clean.
yeah, this is our proud.
piece of butter. Every part of butter we have.
This is our proud achievement, and this is the name of the place.
Yeah, it starts from there.
Oh, it starts from there, yeah.
It's Oh God Run Hotel.
That's the meaning behind that name. By the way, there are like this is not an easy place to find. So you need to find that name, put it on Google Maps, and ask around as well, because it's inside alleys. You know, you'll get there eventually. It's not that difficult. You'll get there. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Acha.
Yeah, we are
Chala.
getting late for next place, man.
Chalo, chalo, chalo. Thank you. Let's go to the next stop. Yeah. Prince is making us eat a lot tonight, which I love as always. Let's go.